Hi, I'm Lloyd. I made Vizzy. If you think Markdown is awesome and you think Mermaid charts are awesome, you're going to really like Vizzy. Vizzy is a native Mac app that runs locally on your machine and interprets all of your Markdown files and Vizzy Markdown files to present them to you on a canvas. So if you're working with agents and you're going back and forth, iterating through plans, or your agent is explaining something to you about how to approach a problem, you can get your agent to visualize these things for you inside of Vizzy. Vizzy plots all of these on a canvas. You can see some examples of them here. We support basically everything that Mermaid supports, but we add a little bit on top. So here, for example, I could navigate and go and read a little bit more about this contract. I could hover over here and I get a bit of an extra bit of information about that API. Or when I have a schema diagram, then I can hover and I can see what these enums are. There are little things like this that Vizzy adds on top. Also, for example, I can filter my Markdown tables and I can present these things. So when it comes time to talk to my team about these things or show them how do these things work or what am I thinking, then I can also do that too. Vizzy has a CLI that comes bundled with it. So Vizzy can actually take control, your agent can use that CLI to take control of the Vizzy app and put different things in focus, but it can also read the file. So here, for example, I can copy these comments that I've added where I'd like to add bowls to this list and drop them here into this native terminal that is built into Vizzy. You don't have to use this. You can use the one that you're already using, or you can use the Claude app, the Codex app, whatever. And then it's going to change in real time because Vizzy is watching these files, adding them in real time. So basically, we're going to watch this Vizzy folder and we're going to pull in anything new that needs doing. You can see that this one just updated itself in here automatically. I can always come in here and make changes directly, but what we've optimized for is to do that via your agent so that your agent can show you things. You can also use the CLI to generate images. I really like using this to generate the documentation for the website and for some of my other projects. And one thing that we do that I think is really good is we've turned all of the Mermaid color tokens into something that you can customize across your whole project. So in the root of this file, I have a Vizzy config, and that's what's determining all of these colors. So when my agent creates these charts for me, it just says yellow, purple, red, orange, whatever. And depending on my dark mode settings or generating these things through the CLI, then I will get the charts out in something that looks on brand.